Welcome to Money Mastery Ideas. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring TRC20 USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. Whether you're feeling stuck or unsure, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: your SafePal wallet with the TRC20 USDT balance coin, your Binance account ready to receive the funds. Now review a small amount of TRX20 in your SafePal wallet to cover transaction fees. It's important to note that TRC20 transactions require TRX for gas fees. Without TRX in your wallet, the transfer won't go through. To begin, open the SafePal app on your phone. If you've already set it up, use your recovery phrase to log in if needed. Once you're in, go to the Assets tab to access your wallet and view your USDT balance. Next, head over to your Binance app or website 1, navigate to Wallets, and then select Fiat and Spot. Look for USDT and click on Deposit, or make sure to select the TRC20 network for compatibility. Copy the generated deposit address. It is crucial to use the TRC20 network. Always double-check that the network selected is TRC20, as using the wrong network could result in a loss of funds. Now, let's transfer the funds from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. Within the SafePal app, tap on your USDT balance to click on Send and paste the Binance TRC20 deposit address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Confirm the transaction, but make sure you have sufficient TRX in your wallet to cover the fee, usually just a few cents. Worth of TRX. After sending the funds, go back to Binance account. Navigate to your USDT wallet under Fiat and Spot. 2. Click on Recent Transactions to track the deposit status. TRC20 transactions are typically fast and should reflect within a few minutes. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, here's what you can do. No TRX for gas fees? Transfer some TRX to your SafePal wallet. Beforehand, mistakenly sent funds to the wrong address or network? Unfortunately, funds sent to the wrong address or network are usually unrecoverable. Always confirming any transactions. Experiencing a delay in transactions? Check the Blockchain Explorer for updates by using your transaction ID. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Binance or SafePal support for help. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your TRC20 USDT from SafePal to Binance. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Money Mastery Ideas, and turn on notifications for more insightful tutorials. If you have any questions or find yourself stuck, drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. See you in the next video.